What's up, everybody? We're gonna do a quick unboxing because I be doing stuff, sometimes too much stuff. But once again, it's Dane Charles Anthony II, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. I just got a new lens that we're gonna be working out. I'm hoping that this actually turns into a little bit more of my everyday lens. It's the 24-105. Shout out to LaGrange Cameras in Chicago. That's the name of the place. They had it while I was flying in from Atlanta. I couldn't find it in Atlanta. When I came into Chicago, I called a couple of camera stores. LaGrange had it. Really dope dealer. Well, camera store overall. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick and then go from there. All right, get it out the bag. Don't be a baby. I'm trying to pull this out. All right, you know the usual stuff, warranty, information, all that jazz. We'll put this out right here. Yeah, it was dope when they went. They thought they only had the 24-70. I like to stop at different camera stores when I go to different locations. And they ended up having it. They had one in stock. So I was able to get it. You see it right here. Boom. Nice little carrying case. And excuse the running gun motion. This is on my iPhone. Solid case as always. You can just let this out. All right, see, it's pretty tall. If you've had the 24-105 F4 or something in that range, you know those are a lot smaller. What's cool about this one is that it's a 2.8. So give me 1 second. All right. Get out of the plastic. Yeah, it's actually a pretty good size. So like this is like in comparison to this is the 70-200. I think this is with the new 70-200 that's internal zoom. This is about the same size as this one, but you see I got the 70-200 that zooms that they have, and so we can try to do a little quick comparison. So if I extend this all the way out and do to kind of see what the size is. Boom. All right, so excited to see it. Looks cool. Always happy to have a new lens, so we're gonna check it out today.